Alright, graphing linear inequalities. Okay, so basically, once again, Desmos is our best buddy here. Okay, graphing linear inequalities. When you're graphing and you want to do a less than sign, let's say 2x. Okay, just type in less than. That's fine. If you were like sitting there going, oh, I wanted a less than or equal sign, go next to the less than sign, type in equals, and it'll put it underneath and make it a solid line. Okay. Now, when you're graphing a system of inequalities, okay, please understand, use the same color. Let's go 3x minus 2. Okay. All right, because it's going to be awfully hard to see where the overlap is. So if you move your mouse over to the color and hold it down, you can switch it to the right color. And if you notice, that makes it a lot easier to see where the overlap is on my graph. Okay. Alright, now I know we're not talking about overlaps and stuff, but I just wanted to show you where this is coming from. Graphing linear inequalities, you can graph them in standard form, you can graph them in slope-intercept form. It's totally up to you. So if I did 2x minus 3y is greater than 7, it would come out pretty easily, and it would also show me my x and y intercepts. Okay. Alright, this was a really short one. I don't know how much extra I should cover because this is just a review chapter. Just realize that this half of the boundary, if I plug in a point, so let's say I plugged in this point right here, 0, -5, and I plugged it into this function, I would get a true statement. Okay, whereas if I plugged in 0, 0, I would get a false statement. Okay, and when you get false statements, you don't fill in that half of the plane, you fill in the other half. Okay. All right. Now, if you'd also like to graph absolute value functions, let's go ABS of x. Okay, you can do that as well. They will show up and they will work that way. You can also do quadratics. Y is less than or equal to let me see, negative x squared plus 5. Okay, and you can see the overlap in there. And once again, get the same color. It just makes your job a whole lot easier when you're trying to see everything. And as you can see, the boundary lines are nicely put in here. So it's really kind of cool how it works and how it's just all set up. So it's really kind of cool. Okay. All right, and you know, just some pretty easy stuff just to work with. Just take your time, and you can also put restrictions on this. So if you wanted to do piecewise as well, and you're going, well, I just wanted to do underneath or above 1, so you just put x is greater than 1, and you could just do that portion of it. Or if you wanted to go to a different one, and you need to use the curly braces, not the parentheses, because I keep screwing up and doing that. If you wanted to go x is less than 0, okay, you could do that too. Okay, so you could just graph part of linear functions. So that's kind of cool too. It's a continuation of what we just saw. All right, you guys, that's it for today. I'll talk to you later.